What is good, boys? Today we're going to be going over how I made 7.3k today. 7.5, sorry. Trading NQ. As you guys can see, my bet is literally not made at all. And you guys can see my laptop there. But yeah, so we made 7.5k today trading NASDAQ. Oh shit, I need to share my screen. Alright, let me pause the music before I get copyrighted on a channel that's not even monetized. Alright, so as you guys can see here, at 3 a.m. I was awake. I'm tired as fuck. I look tired as fuck right now, as you guys can see. But so we had a level here at 348. We ended up taking longs here. These longs were super clean. It gave us a bullish reaction extremely quick. So I entered off of that, targeting London highs, and trade was pretty good. I'd give it like a B minus because there was no SMT or sweep on liquidity. But these levels, they play out whenever, price trades up into them. So yeah, I did take a loss here, but I hate when my chart is super cluttered. But I'm being transparent. I took like a $250 loss on this. And so what is it? So I took a trade here again, right here off of the 348 level. Price ended up trading to the 348 level. I didn't wait for a reaction that time. I was being extremely impatient. Ended up paying the price, so I paid for information. Realized that there was nothing there. Closed it a little bit early. And as you guys can see, we came down to 329 and we had extreme bullish reaction. That's the trade that I took today. And the way I was managing the position, I was in with 2 contracts. I scaled one more out here, and then it came back down on my stop profit because I was trailing my stop loss. Ended up grabbing another position down here off of the 348 level, the one that didn't work out the second time over here. Ended up grabbing another position there, and I closed it right about here. So overall 7.5k on the day. I was talking to one of my mentees about this, and not my mentees, one of the people in my private Discord, because I trade live every day, well, every New York Open, and he was telling me that he blew his funded account, and I was telling him, like, the only way you're gonna get better from blowing accounts is literally just by journaling. Like, journaling is the most important thing. Like, if you guys think that, oh, like, I just get on the charts, I take a W trade, I get off and go to sleep, or I go on a walk, or I go to the gym. Every single time after I'm done trading, I always journal my trades, because that's exactly how you're going to get better. Like, if you're not journaling, you're not going to see any improvement. You're just hoping for something to change at that point. If you're not journaling, like, you're just hoping for it. But if you guys really do want to see change, you have to journal your trades. You have to do everything that everyone else isn't doing. 95% of these traders are not journaling their trades. Like, that's what's going to separate you. You guys have to understand that. Don't mind me, I'm a little bit sick still. Just coming off a cold. But yeah, so these are probably, this week was pretty clean. This is a 4 test, by the way. I think the draw is lower, but I would want to see these Asia highs get swept. The draw is going to be like down over here. That's what I wanted to see, and that's what I envisioned in my head. But yeah, so you guys see that the levels work. They play out from time to time, and you just have to pair an extra confluence with them. If you can pair them with an extra confluence, obviously it's going to be a very high success rate, a very high risk to reward. And yeah, you guys see it. I'm living proof that it works. Also, these were signaled in the Discord. I'm gonna show you guys that it was signaled. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick. Premium signals, there we go. Oh yeah, so look. So we had here expect buys at 348.75, entered with 5 contracts. Price came a little bit more down, entered with 5 more, and partialed at this swing high. Took my full TP here. This is what it looked like. So 348 348 level, tapped, partialed here, and then took my full TP here. And then all these two other trades, I was live during them. So the people that joined the live got in for free, or just took it with me, or used me as a confluence. So yeah, so if you guys do want to join the Discord, it is in the description, in the bio. I trade in there for free, nothing at cost. I trade in there live for free. But if you want the levels, that is in my VIP group. But yeah, so the levels are not free, but the live trading there is free. So there is some value there that you guys can learn off of. You guys can ask me a ton of questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. But yeah, so I just wanted to, rub that onto you guys. No Diddy. To make sure that you're journaling your trades, because that's what's going to make you better than everybody else. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram on Mark Trades, or to join my Discord and ask me questions down there. So I'll see you guys in the next one.